So the girls are saying that ginger is in, right? I don't know if it's like a fall color or whatever, but ginger is in, y'all. So I needed to try it, and what better way to try it than with my wig, my U-part wig that I've been rocking this whole time. So we're about to install this color and see for the first time what your girl is looking like with this color in. Very excited, very new, but I wanted to do a video just installing it, showing y'all what I'm looking like, because I've honestly been swooning over this color for the longest. So I'm doing the usual, and I'm just flat twisting my hair back, make sure everything is laid, and then I'm doing the 2 flat twists in the front just so everything could blend. This is my usual like little method for my U-part wig. Shout out to all my black girls for sponsoring today's video. So this is the usual wig that I have. It's actually usually in like a 1B color, but I dyed it because I wanted to try a different color. Why not? So this is what we're working with. I am just plopping it on my head. I have my little leave out in the front there as well, and there are 2 clips in the front, so I'm just clipping it down, making sure everything is secure and snatched. You don't want anything falling off your head. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm just making sure my leave out looks right as well, making a little part, middle part situation, middle part tease. And then of course you need to blend, so I just usually spray my hair with some water and then use Eco Styler gel, and yeah, after my hair dries and everything, it usually blends perfectly with this curl pattern. It is the Kinky Curls unit, so I'll be sure to have everything listed in the description box, of course. And for the grand reveal, yes, kill them, guys. I'm living, right? I'm really living. We're gonna talk about this in a second. I'm gonna come on camera to talk to you about this color and everything, and we're gonna chop it up. I tried a new color, guys. This is really interesting. It's interesting mainly because if you knew me back in the day, I used to be very bold and daring with my natural hair, and that's probably why I had to big chop like 3 times in my life. It's been a lot. So it's interesting because this time I really wanted to try this ginger color. Like, I really wanted to switch it up a little bit, because I've been growing up my hair for like 2 years now. And you get bored, you want to change. Protective styling could only do so much sometimes. You want to like actually change your natural hair, but because of my past mistakes, I'm actually a little traumatized, and I really didn't want to do anything too permanent, anything too damaging, anything that I would live to regret. So instead of permanently dyeing my hair, bleaching my hair, I decided to just do it to my wig. And I was just like, honestly, I bought this dye before I even decided to dye my wig, because I really thought I was just gonna just do it and be impulsive and whatever. And then I told myself, I was like, DeAndre, you really don't need to do all that. Like, come on, girl, like, use your brain. You have a whole U-part wig, right? So with that being said, shout out to all my black girls for sponsoring today's video. I'll be working with them. So the only thing, because it's a U-part, it's not like a frontal or closure or anything, I actually needed to leave the roots dark, because if not, I wouldn't have been able to blend the wig with my hair and stuff. So yeah, that's the only thing. I kind of wish the color was even like higher up and stuff, but it's fine. I think it worked. And then the other thing, I mean, I used bleach and then I used this box dye to get the color, so like it wasn't a whole professional setup. And because of that, I feel like the color could have been lighter, like, or I wish it was even more vibrant, but I feel like you'll get the idea. Y'all can see what's going on. Hopefully, you know, you can see what's going on. So if you are interested in this unit, like I said, it's from To All My Black Girls, and I will leave the link down below. It is a kinky curls unit. Yeah, so I'll leave all the information in the description box so you can go on their website and check it out for yourself. It is a U-part wig, so it's really easy to blend with my natural hair, and this is definitely a go-to style. Like, I just do like flat twists and that kind of thing. Alright y'all, so that was it for my video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you again to All My Black Girls for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to let me know what y'all think about the hair. And I'll see y'all in my next one.